we go and discuss Beyond Meat price action, because right now start to reverse from the bottom, huge whale buying before the market close for this year. So before we go further, remember our content here for education purposes only. Look at this. We have a reversal of almost 6% for Beyond Meat at the market open. Because we tested this channel from below. As you can see here, we have this white channel, which is the buying pressure place. Every time we test this level, we have a little bit of reversal, This time we need to break over the $1.02 in order to hold and then confirm the squeeze when we break the $1.30. So we need to escape from this channel, guys, like what we did before. This channel is not normal because this channel will give us a confirmation like what happened at the end of November when we squeeze almost 60%. Let's see how much we reverse here. Yeah, almost 80% reversal. So now if we reverse from here around the 113, we might do another 100% reversal around the $2 before the end of this year. So this is will be it for Beyond Meat if we held over the 81 cent or preferably over this white line and break the 102 for the first signal for that the whale starts to buy, and this time we need to hold over the one, then go over, break the 125 and go toward the $2 before the end of this year. Because why we need to break this level for this year is psychological level first, guys, and will be a great indicator that we have a fundamental change for the next year, because everything will happen. Sometimes the change happen before the end of this year and sometimes happen at the beginning of the next year. So if it happened for this week, would be a good indicator that Beyond Meat will have a strong next year or next week, because the next year will start on Friday. So watch out for this reversal, guys. It might happen like what happened here, as we said before. We did the chart before, even on our Discord. If you don't know, guys, we always do updates here on our Discord and Patreon before the market open. And we already discussed this breakout zone for Beyond Meat, and we said that even on our YouTube channel that the squeeze have started. We started a little bit, but we didn't have enough volume and enough buyers around the 150. That's why we pulled back. So now, as we said, as long as we hold the over the 80 cent or over this white line and break this channel, which is the bearish channel, we're gonna have a squeeze at least 80 or 100% for the next time to test the $2 psychological level before the end of this year.